500 extra horsepower, here I come. What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We back at it again with another banger. So today we're at ATL PowerHouse Performance, as you can tell in the back. Came with my bro back there in the back. Appreciate him taking me here. But today is the day you guys have been waiting for, many of you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys guess how much horsepower is this baby gonna make. Now, I know what I want, but I need you guys to guess. So go ahead and drop down a comment down below. Don't be cheating. Drop a comment. It's dyno day, baby. It's something serious. We're gonna get this baby on the dyno. It's already on there. They've been testing it for the past few minutes or so, or an hour. But we made it. I'm about to check this baby out. All right, let's get it. Damn, boy, she's strapped up and ready to fly. Guys, you ready for this? Oh shoot. Third gear, fourth gear.
Oh baby, is that 190 right there?
190? Yeah, 190 at the bottom right there. Yeah, 190.55. And then 126.64 torque. I know you guys heard that V-tape. That junk is hella loud, bro. It hits like at a 5,800, and it's making 190 to the wheels and 190 horsepower, 126 torque. What is it? But yeah, that thing is, it's not exactly what I wanted, which is 200, but shoot, that's safe, and that's what I was going for, so I'm not really shooting for the sky. But I like it as is. I'm still happy as a mug just to see it be so loud once VTEC kicks in, because I'm in love with VTEC. But that is beautiful. Yeah, boy. We up in
oh yeah, how you doing?
Hey, say that boy.
Make some tuna.
Tuna with the homies at ATL Power Performance under this jam.
Yes, sir.
So we're looking pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I'm making 190, 126 right now.
Yeah, it's not
She's
bad.
got more to go. I mean, probably make 200 when we're done. And
conservative build for sure. Nothing too crazy.
definitely screams.
Oh yeah, that VTEC is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I mean, imagine if I actually went full build. I think I'd be able to push what, maybe like 250 all motor. 9 grand. Holy.
Almost 8,500. Your tax a little off.
8,500.
That's what she said.
Everything's off.
Yeah, we went to 85.22.
Okay.
She got a little too much fuel in her again, so let me go play.
Cool.
I'm almost there. I almost might leave it there just so you have a little fuel in it. When we come back, we'll really fucking give her some more sauce.
Hey, sounds legit.
Always want to make more.
So we lost 3, but we're going fuels all good pretty much.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. I mean, conservative is free. That'd be great.
Exactly.
I'd be happy with that as well.
Cool. Well, let me just...
Alright, so we made 187 on that run, but it's conservative. I mean, he's got the fuel where he wants it, so it's not bad. It's cleaned up just right. And we're gonna go on another run and see where that gets. We're not really trying to put in like a lot. We're leaving room for the next tune to come back and hopefully be up in the 200s. I don't know, maybe 200 if even or 200 plus. But right now we're just at 187 that he just put up. Might leave it at 190, who knows? But stay tuned for them numbers. Outside the cockpit. Then you're trying to fix the fuel at a certain RPM. I mean, revving all the way almost a 9K, dude. That is crazy.
I'm gonna rip this bitch down the road, right?
Huh? You gonna rip it?
Rip this bitch down the road,
Let's do it. 192, heck yeah. What'd you end up doing that time? Just adding,
Just cleaning it up, yeah.
oh man, it's freaking bright. So 192 on that one.
Yeah. Let's see.
Alright, so we made 192 on that pool, but he's gonna clean up a little fuel parts of it, and we'll go see how it turns out. He might do another run, and then he said he's gonna rip it down the street, so that's gonna be on here too. But 192, that's hella good. Got that sauce. You know about that sauce, bruh. Tell him about that sauce, bruh. Hey, give him the sauce. You don't get the sauce, man. Look, I can't see. It's too dark. You trying to race me in that scooter right there? You trying to run it? I run you for pinks.
It's already dead.
It's dead? Oh, well, that's no good.
It's barely dead.
Oh, goddamn. Yeah, launch control, you said, right? Sounds like a little bit of two-step.
Yeah. You might be able to do some.
Not that I need it, but it sounds close.
Alright, we're done. Well,
Alright, so I know you guys can barely see it, but the first line's right there. No, they're just a bit rough, so once the wideband is connected into the whole computer and stuff, it'll be a lot cleaner, but right now we're going to run with that. Reset towards that end while I really get in that horsepower. I'm really smooth as butter, so that's going to be really nice. But so far everything's working out pretty good, you guys.
Ha!
No mirror life right now. I need to go order some. Alright, you guys, we're going to go for a rip with the homes.
yes, sir.
See how this baby feels. First time with the full tune.
Yeah, boy.
Let's do this rip.
second.
They're gonna probably be laughing for that first second here.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll hit them with a good one coming up. See a nice second. Good pulling car right there, buddy.
Oh,
it sounds phenomenal, dude.
That VTEC is like...
It hits, buddy.
When it
they
hits,
know you're coming
hits.
down the road, that's for damn sure.
Considering it's like quiet when it's like turned on, but when VTEC hits, it is absurd.
Alright, bring that thing about right at $5 grand in this. Loves that up top, dude. I mean, at $8 grand, I still feel it pulling.
Yeah, it still pulls.
That's awesome, man.
I love it.
Probably spend this thing close to 9 when you come back.
Shit.
Yeah.
9K, baby.
Yeah.
Be in that RPM squad. That's crazy. She feels good though.
It does. It feels great.
Like.
Got some loving to do.
Yeah.
Be alright though. You'll have a lot of fun.
We'll have to definitely give her some more loving, but yeah, I'm glad to have the same. But that VTEC,
oh yeah.
yeah, after a few pulls, heck yeah.
No leaks, no nothing.
Freaking.
Love the way it felt. I love it sound.
Get that air,
Like and
bro.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hey, we're gonna be in there, man.
$8 grand.
But yeah, she sounds great, you guys. I'm sure you heard that VTEC. That thing is phenomenal. We'll be at 8,000 RPMs. It still wants to eat. But as y'all can see, Bae, she coming home. We're actually gonna go to Florida in here, so that's gonna be dope as freak. But dude, I'm so happy. That VTEC is ridiculous, my dudes. She's still eating. Oh, we got some tweaking to do, but overall, she's phenomenal. Alright, fam, so the next move is to lower the suspension. And we'll test where's the carbon fiber lip. We gotta find the carbon fiber lip, but we're gonna lower the front suspension. See what this ride height looks like. We lowered just a tad bit. The back looks good, it's just the fact that it rubbed a little bit, but overall, it's sit pretty dang well. Nah, it's not bad to be honest. It's just pretty dang clean.
I'm too low over here. You're not gonna fit camera-wise.
Yeah, you too low over there?
Got a little camber, it'll fit.
Yeah,
Oh, this wheel has more camber. That's why.
It does, huh?
Yeah, this side's low.
Look, that one just a little bit.
I can't tell if it's camber. That's flush.
Yeah, that's flush. That looks nice. I like the way that looks.
You can't ride that.
No, not right now. Yeah. I'm gonna roll them. I mean, I'm gonna roll the front. Hey, we got the lip on, fam. We'll see how it looks on the ground. Woohoo! Oh boy.
Looks like it's even faster.
It is faster because of the lip. Yo, that looks nasty.
Yeah.
Boy. Ooh.
That thing already makes 500 horsepower.
Oh yeah, you already know it, bro. 500 extra horsepower, here I come. Yeah, that's nice, don't you think? Alright fam, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed that action. That dyno was going well. We had a few little little mishaps with it, but overall that thing is fixed. She is ready to go. You can tell she's looking hella clean back there. But shoot, I appreciate you guys watching again. I'm sure I'm forgetting something to say, but oh yeah, the dyno, I mean, we're gonna come back for a second dyno to push it a little bit more, and we're gonna see how it turns out. But like I said, thank you once again for watching, and we're gonna catch you guys on the flip. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Deuces.
Mm-hmm.